morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. So we just woke up. It is 7:26 in the morning. I've been up for about an hour with Miss Charlotte. Benjamin just woke up. He's getting ready for school. But you guys know what? It's Advent day number 3. So we are going to open 2 of them right now. We're going to do Thomas and the chocolate. Daddy wants to see Ben, so we're going to wait for Graham to come downstairs. And then Graham's going to go to work, and Charlotte and I are just going to chill in the morning. So let's see what day brings us, or let's see what day 3 brings us for the Advent calendar. Okay, there we go. Here's number 3. What is it? You need help? Yeah, these are really hard to get out. Okay, what do we got?
Look.
What is it? So we got a little Thomas, a little train, and today
and next is
Emily.
5.
We got Emily. Her name is Emily.
Next is number 5.
Next is number 4, and we open that tomorrow. Okay, and the next one we got is
chocolate.
Okay, find number 3. It's really hard to find the 3s. Did you find it? Oh, you found it already. Oh, Miss Charlotte's crying. Okay, let's see what the chocolate looks like. Show everybody your chocolate.
Arista.
It's the Saturn from Toy Story.
It's Earth.
Well, obviously, because we're doing Toy Story. So, that is Benjamin's Advent calendars for the day. Hi. What are you doing? Are you trying to crawl? She's like, I can't move yet. I can roll over the place and I can lift my little tush, but I can't crawl yet. But I'm about to. Yeah. I'm about to. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you guys, the time is now 9:19. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to have a day where I'm just not putting makeup on. I'll put moisturizer on. But I'm just going to comb my hair, put it in a ponytail. I don't want to leave the house today. I'm going to leave the house, but just because I have to go to the post office because I got to mail some packages. But I am not really doing anything today except working on cleaning my house. I'm going to do some stuff with the kids. But today's goal for the day, you guys, is to get rid of the mountain of clothes. Like, that's one thing I hate the most is laundry. I don't mind doing the laundry, but, you know, putting everything away is what I really, really hate. So you guys are going to see me, you know, do these videos. I'm going to have a new goal for every single day of the week. You know, new goals to clean my house, to get everything ready by Christmas, and you guys are motivating me. Thank you guys for everything that you guys said about my depression. I feel a lot better today. Yesterday I was just in I was just having a bad day. I was crying all day long, and I'm just kind of just having a bad day. But today I feel a little bit better. Still tired. I'm still like tired from the weekend, but nothing I can do about that. I might take a nap when Charlotte takes a nap, but other than that, thank you guys for all the kind words. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to be like a perfect person on camera. I deal with struggles just like you guys do, and a lot of you guys really enjoy that. And yeah, it's nice to take a couponing break. Now, it sucks for me to take a couponing break because there's thousands of you guys that like to see my deals, and there's a couple of you guys that don't do couponing, which is fine. But, you know, I like to do that, but I just needed a much-needed break. I mean, it's not even, there's some snow. It's, like, pretty much melted and everything, so. But this is what I'm going to work on today. So I'm just going to get dressed, put some moisturizer on my face, comb my hair, and get some laundry done. I might have to take a break because I have ADD, if you guys don't know about that, and I get bored very easily. So we're going to start right about now. Okay, you guys, so I'm dressed. I know I'm wearing my husband's pants because I don't have sweatpants. So I need to go get some sweatpants. But I did do a lot of the organization of the laundry, you guys. Like, got dressed, I watched a rest of the Christmas movie. Like today I'm just putting Christmas movies on, having them play in the background and watching them here to there because I've watched them 100 times. But I got my laundry, a lot of it organized, which I'm pretty excited about. Now I have to do like 3 more loads of laundry, which I may or may not do that today. I'm going to go downstairs and kind of pick up Charlotte was having a fit, so I just gave her a bottle. So I'm going to take a break from the laundry because I get too overwhelmed. And then here's my downstairs, you guys. It's a mess. It is a mess. Miss Charlotte's is smiling right there. So I am going to just start picking up a little bit as much as I can, and I'll show you guys that. I also am going to start wrapping presents up probably on Thursday if I don't have any plans. But yeah, the time is right now 10:09. So Ben gets home in about an hour, and then he's going to gymnastics with my father-in-law. But I want to see how much I can get cleaned up, pick up. My goal also today is to clear off the kitchen table. So come on, Jennifer. We got this. I know this isn't like very much of a vlog, but this is what I go through every single day. Usually, today's Tuesday, I usually go to Walgreens in the morning. But, I mean, just me going, just from those 4 hours when I'm Ben free, it's a pain in the butt. Like, I don't get anything done because I'm focusing on my couponing stuff when I should be focusing on staying home and cleaning. So, Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, I'll stay here and be cute and you just clean up, okay? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so Jennifer, let's go clean. Okay, you guys, so Benjamin came home from school. Super excited about that, and then he left to go with my father-in-law. I stubbed my toe like really, really badly, and now it hurts to walk. Like, you hit it just right where it hurts to walk. But I have been picking up, like, you guys, I don't know how bad it was from a while ago, but I have been picking up, so I feel super proud about that. My table I'm probably going to pick up later, but my goal was to get most of the laundry done. And that I am printing something right now for my Cricut machine. If you guys can see it, it's printing. So you guys will have to see what I'm making in the future. It's for gifts. But I'll show you guys when it comes to closer to Christmas time, so you'll have to wait and see about that. But other than that, yeah, so we'll show you guys actually, I'm going to show you guys day 3, because Benjamin's not here. So we got day 3. Sorry, I got shoes. I got to bring them upstairs. Miss Charlotte is finally taking a nap. But today is day 3, so we're going to open this up and see what we have. It's hard to do this with one hand. Yes, I'm wearing red pants because I just need to wear red pants, and there's cat hair everywhere. Okay, inside we have a eyeshadow primer, which this is actually something that I do wear. I wore mine like the last couple times. I do like their primer. The one that I usually have is like a champagne like tinted one, and this one is just like probably just like a nude one, but I do like their primers. I always use a primer to put my makeup on. So yeah, so we got that. So I don't know, I hope you guys like Vlogmas. This is just kind of a low-key kind of day because I just need to get some stuff done. I'm not leaving the house. Graham gets done with work early today, so we're going to get some stuff done. But yeah, let's just continue doing what I'm doing, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. We are eating a carrot for the very first time. Yes, we like baby carrots. We like baby food carrots, but we've never had a real carrot before. So Mommy boiled up a carrot for me to eat, and I'm loving it. Yeah. Did you lose your carrot? You lost your carrot. Yes, I'm working on more baby-led weaning food for her. She loves vegetables, you guys. Just loves them. Yes. Yeah. So we're watching Home Alone. Ben's just chilling, watching Home Alone. Say hi. No. But I am clearing up the table, you guys. Like, it might not look like it, but I have been going through it. I've been actually working on it, so I am proud about myself. I am proud. Graham's going to be home in an hour, so we got a little more things to do before he gets home, but this is what I do on a daily basis when I'm not couponing. Hey, you guys, so I am back, and I am ready to go to bed. I got the kids in bed. I am just relaxing. I am watching Dawson's Creek right now. I used to watch that show all the time growing up. I have the whole series, but I just felt like I want to watch it, so that's what I've been doing when the kids are sleeping. Late at night I watch Dawson's Creek, and then I watch it in the morning if nobody's up or if I'm just with Charlotte. But I am ready to go to bed. I got my jammy jams on. I got a robe that I got at Victoria's Secret over the past weekend. It was on sale for like 25 bucks. and I just wanted something to just keep warming because I'm cold all the time. But Benjamin, Paris is in the background, but Benjamin did open the advent calendar for number 3, so it was Dumbo, so that is kind of cool. Paris won't stop meowing. But tomorrow I have a new goal. I have to work in the morning. It is my second to last day. I only have 2 more days left before I quit my job, but I do have to work tomorrow morning, so we'll see about that, and then I'm going to figure out a new goal for the day. But I did finish the laundry. I left it all out. I got it all organized. Graham helped me put it away, and we got it all put away. I put 3 loads away, so now we're doing another load so I can put that away. So I have another goal for tomorrow. Not sure what I'm going to do, but when I do start my vlog, Paris is right there. When I do start my Vlogmas for next time tomorrow, I'll try to have a new goal to share with you guys for that. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye-bye.